Maja Nielsen-Lindelof may have just proved her status as the hottest WAG in the Premier League following her floral-themed post on Instagram. Maja is the wife of Manchester United defender Victor Lindelof and certainly has a following of her own, with 244,000 followers on the social media platform. The Swede is the founder of Le Bon Atelier, a ready-to-wear clothing brand, and she regularly posts photos of herself in various outfits with many owing to a summer theme, just like her latest offering. Sporting a flowy white dress with a floral crown, Lindelof looked heavenly in the post she captioned, "Happy Midsummer." Midsummer is a celebration of the summer season and is honored throughout Europe and has special meaning to Sweden, so much so that proposals have been made to make the Midsummer's Eve the National Day of Sweden, instead of its usual date of June 6. The colorfulness of the photo had her followers in a positive mood, with many extending well wishes to the blonde beauty. One fan wrote, "Happy Midsummer best Maja, hope you have a nice day," while another commented, "Enjoy your summer vacation." Her comments section was flooded by her loving fans who continued to wish she had a good day, as a third said, "Happy Midsummer beautiful, I hope you have a wonderful day." After getting engaged to the Man United centre-half in 2017, after years of dating, the pair finally tied the knot in May 2018, following Lindelof's debut season in Manchester. Just a year later, the couple welcomed their first child and had a second in 2021, as they became a family of 4. It's been 6 years since Lindelof signed for the Premier League giants from Benfica, and despite a season where he mostly played understudy to Lisandro Martinez and Rafael Varane, United boss Erik ten Hag has reportedly labelled the Swede as untouchable ahead of the summer transfer window. Approaches for the 28-year-old from Atletico Madrid and Inter Milan were made in January 2023 but were rebuffed by United. While Lindelof may remain in Manchester for the time being, his contract ends in June 2024 as United run the risk of losing him on a free transfer should they not invoke for the option for an extra year in his contract.